Agent for Citibank. I was selling credit cards there. I was only earning 14,000 a month back then. Bills came in, debts were in. Really didn't know how to pay my debts. First, I was pretty, skeptical about it, but I could see the big picture. Just couldn't believe it that it's really possible that your life from nothing to something.
Working with Mega World Corporation. So, ginagawa ko na nagbebenta ako ng mga condominium. Malaking transformation na nangyari sa akin. Kasi before, real estate agent, nagko-commute lang din ako everyday. Of 8 months, nagkaroon ako ng 2 kotse. So, dati, kami ng wife ko nag-commute. In just a short period of time, nagkaroon kami ng sasakyan. And then, in terms of financial, nag-improve din yung finances namin. Dati kasi hindi ako makabili ng damit eh. Kasi I'm a father of 2 kids. I'm supporting 2 kids. Siyempre, yung being a real estate agent, medyo limited na yung sweldo ko. Naalala ko pa nun, I'm a man surviving 100 to 150 pesos lang a day. So, ginagawa ko, tinatsaga ako talaga. Kailangan niya rin magkaroon ng goal. A life without a goal is nothing. Kumbaga, if you have a goal, strategize on how you will achieve that goal. And of course, lastly, huwag tayo makakalimot sa Panginoon. Kasi kahit anong ginagawa natin, kahit anong success natin ngayon, dahil sa Diyos yan. Dating ordinary yung empleyado, pero ngayon, kahit pa paano, hindi ako nagkukulang sa pag-support sa family ko. Hindi ako lahat ng bagay na gusto nila, at least ngayon napupuno ako, hindi tulad din dati.